Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes using DiGiovanni's method. We'll dive into his secrets for achieving those incredibly fluffy, golden brown pancakes with perfectly crisp edges. This isn't just any recipe. It's a chef's approach to a breakfast classic. Get ready to elevate your pancake game with these expert techniques and ingredient insights. Let's get cooking. For Nick's pancakes, you'll need specific ingredients. He uses 2 whole eggs plus 2 extra egg yolks for a richer flavor and tender texture. Baking powder is key for that incredible rise, so ensure you have enough. Also, clarified butter is preferred over regular butter for cooking, as it prevents milk solids from burning and gives a beautiful golden crust. Have your buttermilk and flour ready too. Hey everyone, if you're finding these pancake tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. On another note, a great book can transform your finances. I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth if you're looking to truly change how you think about money. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now for the technique. Whisk your eggs and egg yolks until smooth. Then incorporate the baking powder, sugar, and salt. Gradually add half the buttermilk, then half the flour, stirring gently with a wooden spoon. Add the remaining buttermilk, flour, and clarified butter, mixing just until combined and still a bit lumpy. Cook on a preheated skillet with clarified butter over medium-low heat, watching for bubbles before flipping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.